Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media wisely for students. First, always review and adjust your privacy settings. This helps you control exactly who sees your content and personal details. Remember, anything you share online can potentially be seen by many, so be very selective. Always think twice before posting to protect your digital footprint. Your online presence significantly impacts your future. Cultivate a positive image that reflects your best self, as potential employers or colleges often check social media. Consider having separate accounts for personal fun versus academic or professional networking. Always avoid sharing anything that could compromise your reputation or future prospects. Balancing social media with your studies and personal life is crucial. Try setting a daily time limit, perhaps 1 or 2 hours, to ensure you're not spending too much time scrolling. Prioritize your academic work and face-to-face interactions. If you feel overwhelmed or distracted, it's a good sign to take a break and disconnect for a while. Being a responsible digital citizen means engaging respectfully with others and never participating in cyberbullying. Always verify information before sharing it to prevent the spread of misinformation, which can have serious consequences. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Tree's black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Your thoughtful online actions contribute to a better digital community for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.